Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these rub-on transfers and wooden heart, both from Dollar Tree. I paint the heart with plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. Once that's dry, I'm taking the transfers and cutting away a section of it. I then peel away the backing and place that down. And once I have my placement right, I just push that down onto the heart and then use this stick to rub the transfer onto the heart. And then I slowly peel it away just to make sure that everything is stuck down, having to go back and rub on a few more spots just to make sure that it's all adhered on there. And then once I peel that away, I use Mod Podge and apply a layer of that on top of the transfers. Next, I'm taking this 5.5 by 7.5 wood piece I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm painting one side of that as well as the edges with a combination of Cameo pink acrylic paint and Plaster chalk paint. And the Plaster chalk paint is by Waverly. Cameo pink is by Apple Barrel. I cut down some scrapbook paper I got from a book from Hobby Lobby. Add Mod Podge to the unfinished side of the wood. Place down the paper, smooth it out with my hands, and dry it with my heat tool. I then sand off any excess paper and add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of the paper. I then take the heart and hot glue that on top of the paper, just eyeballing it to get it centered. Next, I'm taking some twine and I'm wrapping it around one side of the piece of wood, knotting it in the back, and then I wrap it around several times and knot it again in the back. I take another piece of twine on the front and I'm tucking it underneath the previous twine and tying that nice and tight to pinch that twine I had wrapped around. I leave those pieces of twine long for now. One of the pieces, I am putting that through this antique key that I got from Amazon, and I knot that, and to make sure the knot doesn't come apart, I apply tacky glue to that and then cut away the other piece. And then I go and spread the pieces of twine that I wrapped around apart. I do that on both ends. I take another piece of twine and I make a knot, and then I wrap that twine around itself, around that knot. And then once I have a size that I like, I hot glue that on top of the knot where the twine is bunched, making sure that on the end of that twine circle, I'm tucking that leftover piece underneath it when I hot glue it. I then take this spare piece that I had removed from a picture frame, and I'm marking where I need to glue that down. I'm using gel super glue to attach it. Add it right below that line and then on the little stand. And then hold that down and using a stick to tuck under there and just hold pressure until that glue sets. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.